Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on February 15, 2022, 4-star Sudoku. 6th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 6, 8. Column B, 4th grade. We have 4 and 6. 4 and 6 can't come in this cell. It will come in any one of the cells. Then only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Column E and column G, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Tenth row and column F, we have pair numbers 1 and 7. 1 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come any one of the cells. Ninth row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column E, third row, we have 2. 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Third row, we have 6. 6 can't come these cells. 6 will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column F, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Second row and fourth row, we have 8. 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Third grade. As ninth row, we have pair numbers 4 and 8. 4 and 8 can't come this cell. 4 and 8 will come in any one of the cells. Seventh row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column B and column J, we have pair numbers 6 and 8. 6 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then 8th row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. 9th grade, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. It will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column J, 9th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column B and column C, we have 6. 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column E and 5th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. On column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. Fifth row we have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Fifth grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. Fifth row we have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Column E, 3 numbers are remaining, 7, 6, 5. It will come in any one of the cells, we will confirm later. Then second grid, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column F, only 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. It will come in any one of the cells, we will confirm later. Column C and column D we have 4. Second row and third row we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column B we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. 1 will come any one of the cells, we will confirm later. Column B and column C we have 1. Fourth row also we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column C and column D we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Ninth row we have 3. So 3 can't come in these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Seventh row we have 4. So 4 can't come in these cells. Column I also we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column B and column C we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Column J also we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. Then 3 is confirmed here. Sixth grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. It will come in any one of the cells, we will confirm later. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. 10th row we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. Column B we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column J we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. Fourth row also we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. Then 9 is confirmed here. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. Column J we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Since 5 is here, so 5 can't come in this cell. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. We can confirm 5 also here. 9th row, only 1 number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column I we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column I, only 1 number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Third row and fourth row we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. It will come in any of the cells. We will confirm later. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. Fourth row we have 1. 7 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Fourth row we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Second row only 1 number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. First grade 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. Fourth row we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. Seventh row we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. Fifth row we have 1. 7 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.